Hello everyone, Ryan here. Before we get into today's video, I have to mention that this channel is currently partnered with Bizee. By using the link in our description box down below to start your LLC, you'll be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. On this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to form an LLC with a partner. I'll walk you through the process of setting your LLC with a partner, explaining the benefits and steps involved, all while utilizing Bizee's user-friendly platform to streamline the process. So by the end of this video, you will not only have a clear understanding of how to form an LLC with a partner, but you'll also be equipped with all the tools needed to get your business off the ground efficiently and easily. So starting off, when forming an LLC with others, you're not technically called partners, but members. And this distinction is important because partnerships and LLCs are treated differently under the law and by tax authorities. A multi-member LLC is simply an LLC with more than one member. It could have 2 members or 20. The structure will remain the same. This flexibility is one of the key advantages of choosing an LLC for your business. So to get started, let's go ahead and navigate to Bizee.com. Again, use the link in our description if you haven't already. And then after that, we want to select the business entity. So in this case, of course, it's going to be LLC, and then the state of the formation. So essentially where you will be launching this business. Let's say I'm going to continue with New York for this video. After that, you'll be presented with the 3 packages offered by Bizee. So essentially all 3 packages will get your LLC done, but if you want to have some additional features or benefits, then you can go ahead and read through them. The basic package is the free package with Bizee. You will only have to pay for the state fees. You'll still be granted some different benefits by using the platform, such as preparing and filing the articles of organization, your completely free first-year registered agent service, lifetime compliance alerts, unlimited phone and email support, and more. However, if you want to upgrade to the standard plan, then it would come in at $200 plus the state fees, and you will get a bunch of different features by using this plan. For example, the IRS Form 2553. If you wanted to get this service separately, then you would normally have to pay around $50 for it, but it comes in included in the standard and the premium packages. So let's say I'm going to continue with the basic plan. I'm going to click on it and then tap continue. After that comes in the first step in forming our LLC, which is choosing your business name. You would have to check the availability of your desired business name, as you can't have duplicates in the same state. Additionally, you can check with Bizee to ensure that your chosen name complies with state regulations and is not already in use, like I said before. Your LLC name must include a designator like LLC or L.L.C or limited liability company. So go ahead and choose the name and the designator that you want for your LLC business, and then click next. The next step is the state filing time, and this could be different from one state to another. So for example, at the moment in New York, the filing time would be around 3 weeks. And if you're in a hurry, then you can get the expedited filing time, pay an additional $50, and then this can be moved up significantly depending on the state. So again, for the state of New York, at the moment, if I pay for this option, I would have it done in only 1 business day. So I could potentially have it done by tomorrow. I'm going to choose the free option and then click next. In the next step, we would have to provide the name of the person responsible for this order and someone that they can contact if additional information is needed. So in this case, I would enter my own name or someone that's closely related to my business. Make sure to enter a valid phone number that they can contact if anything happens. Next up, we have the company address information. You can use your own email address if you want to. In my case, it has to be a valid physical address in New York or whatever state that you chose for your own LLC process. And if you want to pay for a service that will maintain your privacy by using a commercial address, then you can go with the service of professional business address and virtual mail service. You can clearly see right here which business address I would have for my LLC if I continue with the service. And it's only around $30 per month. That provides a physical address for your business. Choose whatever option that you want to continue with and click next. On the next step, we have the information about the members section. Now this is super important to actually add partners to your LLC, and what's great is that this platform makes it super easy to actually add members. All you have to do is click the drop down menu and then select how many members or owners are for your LLC. So let's say for mine it's going to be 2. After that, you need to provide some basic details about both members. So member 1, let's say it's me, I'm going to have to select my name and then add an address. So this can be the virtual address if you chose to continue with the service. Otherwise, you input your own address. Right underneath it, you have the percentage of ownership that goes between 0% to 100%. So let's say I own 40% of this LLC. This is important when it comes to splitting the ownership between the members. Once you've done that, you will have to enter the same kind of information about the other members. So in my case, I chose two numbers, and now I need to specify whether the second member is an individual or a company. Select an address, which is the assigned company address provided by Bizee, their first and last name, and then the percentage of ownership. Once you've input all the information related to your members, that's essentially how you can actually select multiple owners to the LLC that you're forming. You'll notice how streamlined and easy it is to actually do that using a platform such as Bizee. So once you've done that, click next, and then you'll be presented with the service of the registered agent. By using Bizee, you will get a free 1 year on the service, and if you want to act as your own registered agent, then you can do that to save some money. I highly recommend actually getting the free year, and then you can cancel it whenever you want afterwards. Once you've filled in the rest of the information regarding your process, you'll be taken to the final page where you can review your order and make sure that you've input everything correctly. If you've done that, you'll be taken to the final step, which is the billing information. Onto the right side, you can see exactly how much you're going to be paying, including everything and how much it costs. So as you can see in my case, there is the state filing fee and then the additional services that I took. Enter your own billing information and your process will be on the way. So in conclusion, starting an LLC with partner using Bizee can provide your business with a strong foundation. It offers protection for your personal assets, flexibility in management and ownership, and of course the advantageous tax options. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of it by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.